do you order at Red Robin, Trevor?
Food.
What kind of food do you get at Red Robin?
Salads. For my healthy body.
Go! Oh no!
Ollie bet. Jesus Christ.
My ass used to feel like this tight, but it doesn't feel that tight anymore. So enjoy this.
You gotta yell, order up, chef, when you put it on the plate.
Do I?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the rule.
Fuck, man. Alright.
Order up!
Order up.
Alright, order up, dude.
Look how perked up I am. Look at that. I'm feeling it for you, dude. Feeling that? You feeling that, Aaron? You like how perked? Look at that.
Stop, I'm not looking.
Check it out.
I'm not looking.
You see that trick shot? Oh no. It's really impressive. That's really... There's no drip, no mess.
As a fuck, you guys are
Great.
No, 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 no. Smell it.
Oh.
Oh my. Shut the fuck up.
Good chef.
That was
work.
great,
Real
man.
good.
What?
I want to be
What the
that.
fuck? Is that a wheelchair raccoon?
So I decided to go ahead and get you an exclusive Twitch streamer wig.
I'm pretty
I didn't
The fuck? It's not.
Oh, his mom yelled at him.
You know about all the clowns that, you know, all the clowns that are going around here.
No!
Oh my god.
No! Oh no! I'm out of the map! I'm out of the map! Shit!
You got fucked, James. You got fucked.
Excuse me?
I don't like being down here. Oh. Oh.
Trevor! Look at his eyes! What if it didn't work? Oh shit!
The batteries fell out.
That's
The
embarrassing.
batteries fell out.
That's embarrassing.
I think there's a...
Oh my god, dude, I'm so sorry.
Hold on.
Hold on! It's like day 2. Guina? Guina? My head work like this? Like, can I hit you guys in my head? How about everybody just do fucking
let's try it.
propellers? No. Get the fuck out of here.
Doofen.
Arms in my asshole!
Trevor, can you hear me?
Yeah. We're good.
It's called Boogeyman.
You need to hear me?
Boogeyman. What?
Do I need to hear you?
No. Put your headset back on.
Alright, man.
You know, you see some girl, you're just like,
Stop.
no, he's not gonna go far enough. Oh shit. Have you ever seen what the Blair Witch looks like? No. Actually, I have not. I'm pretty sure you don't see... I guess.
Embryo.
Oh man.
Why did this? Why?